All right, let's take a look at this view. I'm not sure what that is right there. It's hard to tell. There's a bunch of birds if my camera will focus on them. There's the loading dock down there, I believe. I really like those lights if my camera will focus on them. Very nice. There's another portion of the roof. I'm not sure what those buildings are right there. Yeah, there's a nice couch too. There's stair 3 if my camera will zoom in on it. There we go. And yeah, again, I really like this lighting, these light fixtures. Yeah. There's an MPA. I'm not sure if this is an emergency exit or not, though. Yeah, I really like those lights. It says it leads from an external exit only. So this probably is an emergency exit. But, alrighty. Notice that fire strobe's red. The blue fire extinguisher light. There's another one. Alrighty. We are coming up on the conference elevators. The Penn State Conference Center Hotel in State College, Pennsylvania. Here they are. These are Dover. Let's go up. Let me get this one. Five. Get a cab view. These are very nice elevators. We're going to send this one to GL, which is garden level. Get a nice view. From the same view we got from the 3rd floor if we can. There's a nice view. It's sort of the same view we got from the 3rd floor, only with this brick blocking us a bit. There's a campus view 4. Yeah, I used to be a Roman numeral nerd with the IV, which is 4. Nice artwork. I really like that light. Let's see if we can get another view. Something we got from the third floor of this area. See if we can get a better view. That light looks like it's burnt out. Part of it. Huh. Yeah, it's basically the same view we got from the third floor. If you look closely, you can see, I believe, the Bryce Jordan Center's stadium lights on. My camera will focus, if the Canon power shot will focus at it with the 48 times view. Sorta. There's a view of the water, of a State College water tower with something flashing in the distance. As you can see, this has the same type of lighting fixture that I really like as on the third floor. And there's the same MPE, which I believe is for emergency exits only, but I'm not sure. Stair number 3, and an air conditioner. Alrighty, let's head back down now. That one doesn't ding. Fortunately, that one does not ding. I'm gonna try and get one that does. Whoa. Set that down. Try this again. Got a feeling it's gonna be this one. Yep. Sorry. Zoom into the lantern. There it goes, and That's it.